Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today we're opening one of the first things we got from Potty Pack, and that is their first aid kit. This is their basic wound care kit. It's a single use, made in America. It's veteran owned, and this is what it comes with. Hand sanitizer, antiseptic wipe, triple antibiotic cream, gauze pad, bandage, and painkillers. So there's all their social media and stuff. And if you want to see what else is in the box, I'll put a link in the description below of the other stuff that they sent me. We're going to open each one of these and give them their own dedicated video so you can kind of see what it is and not make it a long video. So what we are going to do is we're going to open this up, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the bottom of this just so we can get to it, and then I have a food saver and we will just remelt it back down so we can seal it up. So this is how it comes out of it, so you can kind of see. So get 2 gauze. This is your hand sanitizer. Very nice, very compatible. Definitely, I'm already kind of liking this to put, like, if you're going to like amusement parks or stuff like this, this would be great because of hand sanitizers and stuff. This is the ointment, aspirin, a wipe, and 2 band-aids. Just seeing the stuff that you get and how small it is, it's really great. It's definitely thinking for if you're a backpacker, if you're going camping and going on vacation. This is something super small you can put in your carry-on bag or put it in your wife's purse or whatever, and you won't worry about it because it's so small. And that is a great thing with it being so small and having one of these. And the price point of it, and I'm going to have the magazine so you can kind of see here. It's $3. In my opinion, this is worth every bit of $3 because of what you kind of get with this and with it being so small. Because, you know, if you're at an amusement park and you're walking around, you get a blister or something, guess what? You got Band-Aids. And hey, guess what? You get a headache, got aspirin right there. You know, antibiotics, the little hand sanitizer. The hand sanitizer itself, for it being so small, is real cool. I mean, I've never seen a small use for hand sanitizer because, you know, sometimes, you know, you have the bottles and stuff like that. But for how small everything is, you can definitely tell they thought about trying to make this small and minimalistic as possible. And I love it. So I'm going to wrap this video up for you guys. I'll put links to everything down below if you guys are interested in supporting this company. They did give me the box, and if you haven't seen the box opening, that will be there first. You can see some of the videos that we're going to be coming out down the road. So once again, thank you to Potty Pack. Write down below what you guys think of this. If it's something you'd buy it. I think it's great. And repeating of what I said in the initial video, this is great stocking stuffers. You know, for $3, you know, for this product, or there's some of the other ones that are like $3, $4, $5, whatever it is. These are great little stocking stuffers and great things to have. So that's going to be it. Write down in the comments below if you guys like this product or if you guys have ever bought anything from Potty Pack. We'd love to hear about it. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We'll catch you guys down the road.